Picture a huge, sprawling city, alive with millions of tiny creatures, all working, living, and interacting. They're the unsung heroes, often in the shadows, but absolutely critical for the city's survival. Now, what if I told you this city isn't made of steel and concrete, but is actually inside your gut and home to trillions of bacteria? These microscopic residents are far from just being passive bystanders. They are vital to your health, influencing everything from how you digest your food to your immune system, and even your mood. This tiny world inside you, this bustling metropolis of bacteria, might just hold the key to a better understanding of our own health. So, how did we get this invisible army on our side? And what can it teach us about well-being? Our journey starts the moment we're born. At birth, our gut is mostly a clean slate. It's our parents, our environment, and the food we eat that begin to populate this space with bacteria. These early settlers create a delicate and complex ecosystem that evolves with us. It is a lot like how a city's population grows and adapts based on its history and resources. This initial colonization sets the stage for a lifetime of bacterial influence on our health. So, why is this a big deal? Simply put, the bacteria in our gut are our silent partners, doing jobs our own cells just can't. They help us break down food our bodies can't process alone. Take fiber, for instance. We can't digest it, but our gut bacteria can. They turn it into short-chain fatty acids, which give us energy and keep our gut lining strong. Without this bacterial team, we'd miss out on key nutrients from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. But it gets even more interesting. Our immune system, our personal bodyguard against harmful germs, is heavily influenced by these tiny microbes. Around 70% of our immune system is located right there in our gut. The bacteria act like trainers, teaching our immune cells how to spot and fight off invaders. They also help keep the immune system in check, preventing it from overreacting and causing allergies or autoimmune diseases. It's like having an expert security team that not only stops intruders, but also prevents the city from going into an unnecessary lockdown. And the connection doesn't stop there. These microbes also talk directly to our brain, influencing our mood and mental health. This is called the gut-brain axis. The gut is often called our second brain because it has millions of nerve cells and is in constant communication with our actual brain. Think about serotonin, the feel-good chemical. About 90% of it is made in our gut, not our brain. So, if our gut bacteria are out of balance, it can directly affect our mood, potentially contributing to things like anxiety and depression. Unfortunately, modern life has thrown a wrench in the works. Our diets, full of processed foods, along with antibiotics and our super-sanitized environments, have really shaken up our gut microbiome. It's like a city where the skilled original workers are pushed out and replaced by less helpful newcomers. The consequences are becoming clearer. Conditions like obesity, diabetes, and irritable bowel syndrome have all been linked to an unhealthy gut. But here's the good news. Just like a city can be revitalized, we can nurture our gut microbiome back to health. Eating a diverse, fiber-rich diet full of fruits, veggies, and whole grains is a great start. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut introduce good bacteria, and being mindful of antibiotic use helps protect our helpful microbes. So what does this all mean for you? It means your health is deeply connected to this invisible world inside you. The trillions of bacteria in your gut are active partners in your well-being. By understanding this microscopic metropolis, we can find new ways to think about our health. The most profound changes might just come from nurturing the smallest parts of our body. As we move forward, let's remember our bodies are ecosystems. We're interwoven with these tiny, remarkable creatures. In the quest for health, maybe it's time we start listening to the bacteria within us. They might just hold the secret to a healthier, happier future. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this journey into your inner world fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next video. See you next time.